how to make group calls on WhatsApp. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make group calls on WhatsApp. Making group calls on WhatsApp allows you to connect with multiple people at once. So here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now here, create a group if you haven't created yet. If you have already created the group, tap on the group to open it. Now once you have opened it, here at the top you will find some icons. If you want to make a voice call, then you need to tap on this phone icon. And if you want to make a video call, tap on this camera icon. If you want to add more participants, you can select them from your contacts. You can include up to 8 participants for a group voice or video call. After selecting the participants, tap on the call icon to start the video call. Once you have done that, at the bottom you need to tap on this call group. And in this way you can make group calls on WhatsApp. Also ensure you have a good internet connection for a smooth call experience. And make sure to update your app time to time. So by following these steps, you should be able to make group calls on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.